Students, all of you open your junior English page number 23. We will do new topic of abbreviations. Before starting your topic, you must maintain your page with short date of the classwork. Do you know what are abbreviations? Actually, abbreviations are the shortened form of words or phrases like AA, and each letter stands for something. A stands for automobile, and the second A stands for association. Automobile. ASAP, these letters stands for as soon as possible. A stand for as, S for soon, A for as, then P for possible. This is a very big word, so we have to make it shortened. C/O stands for care of, C for care, O for off. Dept stands for department. HRH stands for H for his or her, R for royal, and H for highness. His or her royal highness. JP, J stands for justice and P for peace, justice of the peace. LTD stands for limited. MD stands for managing director, M for managing and D for director. Boys, this is from abbreviation we can write the shortened form, because some words are very long, so we cannot write the full words. That's why we use this abbreviation. Come to the exercise now. To exercise A, write the meaning of the abbreviation in bold type. Here abbreviation is written, we have to write the full form of abbreviation. The widow wrote to her MP about her compensation. So MP stands for Member of Parliament, M for member and P for Parliament. The letter was addressed to the sales dept. Dept stands for department. An inspector of the NSPCC called to inspect the house. NSPCC stands for National Society for the P for prevention, C for cruelty and C for children. National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Children. Tim's holiday address is C/O Mrs. Benz, 15 High Street, Berlin. C/O stands for care of. A large crowd gathered to greet HRH Princess Margaret. HRH actually stands for His or Her Royal Highness. Here we will write her because we are talking about Princess Margaret. Her Royal Highness. Boys, 6 to 8 is your homework. You can take help from the given list of the left side. In exercise B, give the meaning of each abbreviation in bold type. Also, we have to write the full form of abbreviation. On the note paper was printed Telbury 2385. This is telephone number. So, tel means telephone. It is the abbreviation of telephone. It is the full form. No postage is payable on letters and parcels sent OHMS. O stands for on, H for her, M for majesty's and S for service. On Her Majesty's service. Boys, 3 to 6 is your homework. You can take help from the given list of backside. Here you can take help from the given list on the left side. In exercise C, use your dictionary to find out what these abbreviations stand for. Here words are given. Facts. We have to write the full form of this. Facts stands for facsimile. GP stands for General Practitioner. RIP stands for Rest in Peace. NN stands for Anonymous. HQ stands for Headquarter. Boys, you have to write this neatly in your junior English book. Send me your feedback and learn abbreviation also. Thank you.